When I change locations, I literally feel like Hannah Montana. Like here, I feel like a glamorous princess, queen. Like I always look so proper. Well, I think I look proper. And then when I'm at my desk, I look like a crackhead who needs her fix. Okay, well, don't take that seriously because I don't do drugs. Stay in school, kids. Hello, queens. I'm Shanice Teresa, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, the last time you saw me at this backdrop, I'm pretty sure I did my Rihanna review on the Moroccan Spice palette. It wasn't that great of a review, but you know how it is. And I'm back. I'm here at this backdrop, which means I'm here with another makeup video. You know, my eyebrows are like terrible. My nails are just like all messed up, but we're here. I'm thriving. We're living our best life. You know how it is. Well, I know how it is. I hope you guys know how it is. Like, anyways, you're probably wondering what makeup product I am reviewing today. And if you're not, well, I'm just gonna pretend like you're wondering. But this bad boy right here, do you like spot the palette? Nudge, nudge, hint, hint to my, that's my left. To you, it's my right. Well, really, YouTube. Anyways, so this bad boy right here, you all can see, this is the JACLYN MORPHE Vault, which I've been waiting forever for, which I don't really know why, because I don't even wear makeup anymore. Like, I honestly, if I do a video, I'm sitting at my desk and I, like I said, look like a crackhead, but like for some reason I really wanted the makeup. If you've seen my old makeup reviews, you know that I live for the old JACLYN MORPHE palette, like the first one she came out with. So when she announced that she was coming out with these shades, I was there, I was ready. And how disappointed was I when she took the first like vault away, which I understand why she took it away, because she wants to put out the best products, but like I literally had it scheduled in my phone. I was ready to go, and then days before she's like, sorry, we're taking it off. And I'm like, ah. And then we had to wait months later and we're back. And you know how hard it was for me to get this? Like I was working that day. I had to like go to the washroom. Like I went through this whole thing just to be by my phone by 11 o'clock Eastern time, because I needed this bad boy and I got her, and I got two. So if you're not wondering why I'm at this backdrop, you're probably wondering why I have two vaults. I'm doing a giveaway, so stay tuned to the very end of this video and you'll find out how to enter the giveaway, okay? Because you know, we all want the vault. You want this vault. Well, I mean, I haven't even tested it yet, but you want it. I haven't opened this bad boy yet, so this is my personal vault. That's the one I'll be giving away. So we're gonna open this bad boy up now. I'm so excited. Oh my God, this, like, I just love the packaging. The packaging is just, I already showed this to you. So there's 4 palettes on the inside. There's Dark Magic, Armed and Gorgeous, Bliss Boss, and Ring the Alarm. So if you guys can see that right there. And I'm just going to, ooh, okay. Oh, okay, how far do I pull this out? Like, I don't wanna pull it all out in a drop. Oh my God, they're so cute. Oh my God, and they're so light, like, they're just so cute. Oh my God. Oh. Oh my gosh, like I can't. When I see like, this is orgasmic. Like, I'm sorry, I'm trying to say PG, but like, new makeup, and it comes with a mirror. Okay, JACLYN. This is the first palette. This is Dark Magic. The next one is Armed and Gorgeous, like me. I'm not armed. I'm Canadian. We don't have guns. Just saying. Ooh, I'm guessing. Ooh, this is the yellow palette. Oh my God, these colors. So that's that palette. Like, this is just so cute. Like, it's just like so cute. It's like a little baby. Why am I so weird? Oh my gosh, I can't. This is so beautiful. Oh my God, what is this even called? I'm doing this all wrong. Like, I don't even know what I'm doing. This is Bling Boss. Oh my God, I think this, oh, this is gonna be my favorite one. Oh my God, this is so gorgeous. Oh my God. This is Bling Boss. I'm crying. And the last one is called Ring the Alarm. Pound the alarm. Ooh, oh my gosh. Ooh, this is like the, this is the cutest fall. Ooh, like these palettes, there's like one for each season. Wait, is there, how many seasons are there? fall, spring, summer, winter. Oh my god. I literally there's 4 palettes, 4 seasons, and there's literally a palette per season. Smartest idea. I hope they thought of that before I did. So this is, what is this called? Ring the Alarm. Are you crying? Because I'm about to cry. These palettes, I don't even have to swatch them. I don't even have to put them on my face. These are gorgeous. If you can tell, each palette has a specific color in the sparkles. So like one has like red, yellow, blue, and I think purple. Like, I don't know, can you see that? Hopefully you can. If you can't, don't care. So obviously I'm not gonna sit here and do a whole video on all the colors, all the palettes, all the like I can't. I don't have time for that. The sun's going down, like it's practically gone already. Like I just wanna take this makeup off. Like I said, don't wear makeup anymore. Like I just don't care. Anyways, so I'm probably just gonna do one palette. I'm gonna do Bling Boss. This is the palette that spoke to me the most when I opened it. Oh my god. I just wanna eat it. I can't. That's the end of the video. Sorry, no giveaway, I'm done. So I'm only gonna swatch this one for you guys because like I said, I don't have time and like I'm not gonna be here all day. Like I don't have that time for that, I'm sorry. Like there is 10, there is 10 different shades in each palette, 4 palettes, 10 shades in each. Like this was a steal. This was like an $80 value. I'm pretty sure $80 US, so that would have been like 100 or something Canadian. I'm not doing the math, I'm not converting the money. Like I said, don't care. Anyways, let's get actually into the makeup part. So I'm gonna swatch these colors for you and then we're gonna put it on our eyes, like eyeshadow, you know, you put it on your eyes, whatever. Anyway. Okay, y'all, this is Bling Bling. Okay, Pigment. This is Hush Hush. Okay, we're gonna build that one because that one's a little light. Ooh, look at that. This is Gem. Oh, holy guacamole. Dang, girl. This is Pizzazz. Okay. Can you see that? It's not even focused. Focus on my arm. I'm not doing this for nothing. This one is Mystic. Oh, that needs to be built. Oh, but it's so pretty. Okay, I don't really care. The next one I'm going to be doing is Sparks. Oh, beautiful, darling. Beautiful, darling. This is Glitz and Glam. I'm going to love this. I might like end this video right now after I swatch this. I already know. Oh, beautiful. Can you freaking... Hello? The next one is Rockstar. Oh, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Obviously, like the matte colors, you have to build a little bit, but like I'm not like hating it. That one was really weird. Why did that one turn out weird? Now, don't come at me in the comments saying that the vault is garbage because I just don't know how to swatch, okay? Calm yourself down, trolls, okay? Okay. The next one is called Ballsy. Okay. And this last one here is called Berry Treasure. Like berry, like B-E-R-R-Y, not like bearing a body. I didn't think that was black. I don't know. I'm done swatching because I can't do it. Obviously, these are horrible, but whatever. Hey. Okay, so now that the swatches are done, I'm horrible at it. We're going to actually do a look with this because this is beautiful and I can't get over it, and I love JACLYN Hill and I love Morphe. All my brushes are basically Morphe. I think I have one NYX brush that I use. Honestly, if I'm doing makeup, I'm using my Morphe palettes because they're just beautiful. And I know like the pressing on the first vault that came out was bad. Anyways, we're just gonna jump into it because I'm just ranting for no reason, so. We're going to, should I zoom you in? Like, if I zoom you in, you're gonna see all my flaws on my face and it's just disgusting, but sorry. So as you can see, my eyes are prepped. If you can't see, well, my eyes are prepped. I'm gonna start with Hush Hush and I'm just going to put that on top of my crease, like just above it. Ooh, what am I gonna go in with? Ooh, they're all so pretty. I can't decide. Mystic. We're gonna put that in our crease. Oh my god, it's beautiful. Am I supposed to be telling you what brushes I'm using? Because I haven't been. They're Morphe brushes. What Morphe brushes? I couldn't tell you. Ugh, fine. This is a Morphe M504. The last one I used was my NYX brush, number 16. Yeah, number 16. I use it so much, I actually know that one. I'm gonna mix in with Rockstar to add a little pink to it. I'm literally about to cry. This is amazing. This eyeshadow is phenomenal. Like, it blends beautifully. It looks beautiful. Like, it's so pigmented. I don't deserve this. I don't deserve it. Like, I'm not even a beauty guru. I don't deserve this palette. These palettes. Should I cut my crease? I do this every time. Every time I want to cut a crease and it ends up bad, but we're going to do it because we don't give up on ourselves. We just keep thriving. We keep practicing. Honestly, the only time I practice is when I'm on here and I'm doing it in front of you guys. Like, I don't practice cut creases because they're too difficult. Sorry, just being real. I mean, looks fine to me. I don't, whatever.
Oh, you thought I was gonna show you how I cut crease. No.
I'm gonna go in with Bling Bling. I'm gonna use my finger. Oh, holy. And then I'm gonna go in with my NYX brush again and go into Spark and just buff that in on my outer edge just to add some red tones to the eye and just to smoke it a little bit. If you're thinking about getting this vault, think no more, buy it. And then I'm gonna go in with that bright purpley sparkly color and I'm gonna put that on my bottom lash line. Honestly, didn't think I was gonna go with a purple look today, but apparently I am. I'm just gonna go in with all the colors and I'm gonna put Ballsy in the inner corner of my eyeball. Okay, so I'm going to do my other eye off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, so I popped on some Lily lashes, my favorite lashes in the style Miami's, and I threw on some, what did I throw on? What's this called? Lipstick. That's it. I threw on Too Faced Melted Matte Lipstick in the shade Granny Panties. Ooh, ew, that's kind of gross. And then on top, I just threw on this MAC Dazzle Glass. Why do I do makeup tutorials? I honestly, like, this is not even a tutorial. Why do I do makeup in general? Because I just don't, English, see? Don't even know English. That's it. That's all I got. This is over. Just kidding. It's not over because you probably didn't come here to watch me put on makeup. You probably came here to win this bad boy. So let me tell you how to do that. Although I don't really know how to put makeup on very well, I do love makeup. I did start my YouTube journey as a makeup channel. I've slowly gone away from that, but I still, as you can see, do love doing these videos, although it just doesn't really work out that great, but I do love it. I do want to give back to you guys as much as I can because honestly, I say all the time, this YouTube has been something that I've always wanted to do, and now that I'm doing it, I love it so much. Your support and love is honestly amazing. And I think it's time to give back to you guys because this is just an amazing journey and you guys are just wonderful, like so wonderful. I'm so blessed to have you guys, like, ah. So with that being said, I am giving away one of the JACLYN Hill Morphe vaults. I will have the rules down below, but for the main 3 rules: 1, subscribe to this channel, of course. 2, follow me on Instagram. Number 3, like my Instagram giveaway photo and comment down below using the country you're from, but the emoji flag. And then that's it. That's all you gotta do. Like, simple, right? Subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and like the photo and comment underneath it. That's it. That's all you have to do. I'll be making sure you do all 3, don't worry, and I will be randomly picking a winner in 2 weeks. So this video is going up on Thursday, which is August 23rd, and it will end September 6th. So make sure you do all 3 of those things, and I'll send this bad boy to you. Oh yeah, and it's international, so everybody can do it. And make sure you're 13 and older because I don't want to like go through some like lawsuits or anything. Make sure it's legal, male, female, do whatever, I don't care. Win this for your mama, win this for your sister, win it for yourself. Like, I have this, I don't need to. I want to give one away because these are bomb. although I only used one. Obviously it's bomb, so I'm probably gonna do more videos with the other palettes because I'm greedy like that. Views! Anyways, that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Now that I have this on, I'm probably just gonna take it off because I have nowhere to go because I have no friends. Anyways, make sure you like this video and subscribe. Click that little notification and I will see you next time with a new video. Make sure you enter the giveaway and you could win this bad boy. Just saying. Anyways, bye queens.
Yes, queen!
Love it! What is wrong with me? I've had way too much coffee today.